Hey, what's up, guys? I put a video on my channel about this software and for a client, and I was thinking that it would be a better idea if, if I did a short description of what actually this software does. It's a web-based app being built by C# with Microsoft SQL, with Entity Framework, along with jQuery and JavaScript, and a bit of Vue. Okay, so let's jump into it. Once you log in, so please, once you log in, once you put my username and password that I'll provide in, I don't know, man, this screen is annoying. But anyway, so let's continue. And once we continue, once you log in and you put my username and password, please click on remember me checkbox, because this is how the software is gonna work and how we're gonna keep track and how we're gonna keep your ID on the browser and on the back end in my C#. So if you didn't click on remember me, it will keep asking you to log in again. Anyway, however, so once log in successful, you will see this page. It gives you how many projects being added to this software, and this software is being built for a company here in New South Wales in Sydney, near Newtown. And this company it's a door and hardware company, and they deal with construction projects, and they install doors and hardware in their projects. And they need something like to schedule each door, like how many hardware that should be added to each door, and so on and so on. I'm not expert in that, but anyway, I will show you in details. But they got some decent jobs, like for example this one, like it got over 1.5 million, and just and this one I'm running from my local host. So currently on their system now they have definitely more than just 4. Anyway, let's jump into it. Once you click on my project, and here's my profile. This is me, and here's on my profile in my project. You will see all the projects that are being listed on the software, and the first person you will see is the project publisher. So and the rest are people being assigned and can access to each job. For example, let's check on this one, on this project, which is Lit Kamok. It's here in Lit, and it's not far from here anyway, and you can see all people that have been assigned to. And if you notice that I'm being unselected, but I still can access. Why? As I told you, because I'm the project publisher. Let's for example take our general manager, which is Ali. Let's untick it and share it. Now Ali is not anymore in the project. Let's put Ali again on the project, and here we go, Ali is back again. So here's, and once we see like a green, blue, yellow, and red. So this one will delete the project, so I'm not gonna delete it, and this one will copy the whole project with all doors on hardware, but I'm not gonna do that. Let's go first to edit project. So first, once you click on edit project, you will start to see a menu for the project. Man, sorry for that, guys, but I don't know how to fix it. Anyway, let's continue. So we'll see each project data, like details, like address, like it being created, and etc, and project status. Just remember this, that we have something called project status, because I'm gonna tell you exactly what does that mean and how it's gonna affect the rest of the pages. So you can add project managers and estimators at the same time. Estimators that people, I think, in the company who usually estimate the project, and it tells the project manager if this project, how much it's gonna cost, and how much profit we can make from this project, and these people are too valuable for the company, I think. So currently, if we gonna add a new, we only have 2 estimators in the system, which is currently David and Jason Prasad. If we click on David Prasad, on Jason Prasad, sorry, now we have 2 estimators. Let's see what will happen if we add one more. There is no more user role for this on this role. There is no more estimators in our system. Let's delete David Farr. Let's click again on add estimators. Here we go. Here we can see David Farr, and same thing. If we deleted Jason, we can add Jason again. Same thing gonna happen with with project managers. We only have 2 and 2 project managers and 2 estimators, but actually the actual company got like almost 6 or 8 project managers, and estimators around like 5 or 6 or so. If we click on add project manager, same thing, because only 2 in the system. Let's click on add estimators again. Now we can see again David and Jason. Let's add these people. Okay, clients. Our client, I think the builders. Sorry again. So and I think the builders who give this contract to the company, but I'm not sure about that. Anyway, if we can change the client. Just remember, we only have 2, which is Multiplex and Richard Brooks. Let's change to this, and once we change the clients, and that we see that we don't have any other clients contacts for this client. Let's click from the list. We have all the lists that have been added, all the client contact lists that have been added to this job, sorry, to this client. Let's click, for example, let's take Mo Salah. Now we added Mo Salah to the client, and if we added like, we need a new name, we need something that's not here. Okay, let's add, for example, let's add the company manager, which is I think John Asaf. Come on, John Asaf. Email, any email, not necessarily, but it has to be formatted properly at email.com. Phone, put any rough phone, and of course it's not an accurate phone. So let's select CA. I don't know what CA stands for, and let's see what will happen if we take save to global list. We added John Asaf. So we should see and find John Asaf to our global list. So here we found John Asaf here, and here we go. So same thing with site details. Site details exactly like a replica, like a mirror for clients, but the difference is site details is the actual site address. And because like they said, so the project could have an address, and the actual site could have a different address. Like, I don't know what does that mean, but I've been told like this, like people on site and the actual site itself, instead of the actual project. Anyway, like, I'm not familiar with that, but let's continue. This is architect, same like clients, but the architect who gonna take care of this project. Let's change it also to Richard Crook. Okay, here we go. Same thing like clients. These all contacts that have been added to this architect. Okay. And here's our comments. We can place comment for estimators, and we can place comment for, let's place comment for project manager, or hi this is my PM comment. Let's add it, and here we go. And as we see, okay, let's jump in and then save if anything else not been saved yet. But this one only work if you add site details and project details. But if once you change the client, it will be added automatically to the job, same like comments. Okay, let's have a look on one of the most important page in the whole entire application. Let's click on schedule page, and schedule page it show you how many doors and how many products on the current job. On the right side, on the left side, the green one is a door table, and the blue one on the right side is a hardware table. If you click on each door ID or door number, you will see all hardware that being inside this door. And if you click on each hardware number, you will see all doors that being linked, or that this hardware being added to. And once you click on select all, see what will happen. It will select all hardware, and see what will happen here once we ticked all. See, all hardware that being linked here, it will reflect on each other. Once you select the hardware from here, it also will be selected from the main hardware table, and vice versa. If we select all doors from the gray table, it will also reflect on the green table. So here we go, selected 3 and 3. If we scroll down, we're gonna see these 3 doors. Alrighty. Okay, and they did it, and they were asking for this feature in case if they wanna, for example, they wanna take these 2 doors and they wanna add something similar to this product, something like LW 107 something, like I think LW stands for Lockwood. Okay, let's pick something different, like LW 107, which is this one, I think. Okay, and let's see, and let's have a look on one of these doors. So we're gonna pick this one, which is this one is unnecessary, so we're gonna pick this hardware, and this hardware cost, and this one expensive, this one, and also only cost $5, and it got total quantity was 394, and with total cost over 1970. So, and we're gonna pick which door, which is this one, which is B05DFSO1A, whatever. Like 2 long names, man. Anyway, it's not my job. So we're gonna add, and inside this door it got a total quantity of this product is 12. Let's add 2 more, and it costs $5, so total cost should be added by 10, and total cost of this door should be also added by 10. So total cost, so with this door total cost is 400 something, and total sale is 460. So if we added 2 items, 2 quantity of the same product, it should add 10 on total cost here, and total cost here should also add by 10, and total quantity should be 14, and total quantity of this product should be 396. Let's see what will gonna happen. Let's add it. So we added. Now we need to untick, no, cancel. We need to untick the rest of the doors. We need to add it to just one. Here we go, and we select one. Okay, so the door is on the top, the first door in the top. Let's click add, been added. So here we go, total cost been added by 10, and now it's 70. Let's see the door. It should be 410, and here we go, exactly 410. And total quantity of this product, it was 394, so now it should be 396 as expected. Now it's 396, and total costs added by 10. This is how we schedule a door in our system. Let me show you one more thing, which is ordering system, and because it's very interesting, and really it's been like I did much effort and really I liked it. So order status is it shows if this door been ordered or not, and not ordered like mean this door is not been ordered yet. If we click, and if you want to know that this door is not been ordered yet or not, once you click on it, you will see the order number inside each product inside this door is totally empty. And if we click on order page, we will see the order number start from D001 end by D009, and if we click on each one, we'll see each product inside this order number. Let's back to our schedule page, and we agreed that we're gonna do this because it's brand new doors, it's not been ordered yet completely. And let's see what will happen. So now we see all hardware inside these doors, and he is being grouped by suppliers. For example, LW stand, I think, for Lockwood. So if we filter by supplier, so we have for Lockwood, we have total quantities as 11, which is 1, 6, 1, 7, 3, and then 10, and then 11. And order number, we're gonna start from DO10, and if you remember in order page, the last number is D009. So we're gonna start from DO10, DO11, 12 till 14, and for each supplier we're gonna have a different order number. Sorry for that. Okay. See what will happen if we unticked Lockwood, all Lockwood item being unticked, and we'll tick again. And same thing from here, if we unticked all Lockwood item from the main, and DO10 will not be added to a system. So let's put it back again because we need it, and let's add a date. Let's add date absolutely unnecessary. We can pick any date. Like let's pick the 1st of October 2020, and as we see, we're gonna see from DO10 all down to DO14. Let's save and see what will happen to order status on our doors here, and on also our doors number column in every hardware inside these two doors. Let's click save, and here we go, completed. So these two doors, the two doors exactly above the red item, and the red item is the deleted one. We'll talk about later, or maybe in a different video. So here we go. We added, as we see, only doors with only hardware with valid quantity would be added to the order, and we see now from DO10, and if we clicked on this door, we're gonna also see DO14. Let's check on our order page. Now here we go, all, I think so this one be for Lockwood, and this one for like Access Hardware or whatever. Anyway, let's back into our schedule page. Sorry for the confusion, and let's pick these two doors. See what happened. No doors been selected, or those been already ordered. Okay, let's back to our order page and let's delete Lockwood from our order page. So Lockwood been deleted and all red. Let's back again to our schedule page, and now if you now we see that door order status being changed to partial, before was completed. And let's pick these two same doors again. See what will happen. It picks only the unordered items, and as we see here, it's Lockwood, and it starts from what? It starts from DO 15. So let's add the date again. Date's not necessary, and see what will happen if we untick this. Save item will be auto disabled because there is no item that you can order. Anyway, save. These two doors status again became completed, and now we see that DO10 being replaced by DO15. Let's back again to our schedule page, to our order page, and we're gonna see the same items that have been inside DO10. They're gonna be not deleted. And what will happen if we want to reset this doors, if we want to reset this order? See what will happen. It said that order quantity is not matched the actual product quantity. So for example, if we reset this row or this order, so the total order quantity for this product would be unmatched the actual quantity inside our schedule page. You know what I mean? So in the end, they will end up being ordered something that more than what should be. So here's our order items. So what else I want to, yeah,